If you're a UK homeowner looking to slash your energy bills and make your home more sustainable, you've probably heard about solar panels. But going solar doesn't have to be expensive or complicated. There's a private company in the UK offering unique funding options to make your transition to solar affordable and hassle-free. And no, this isn't a government scheme. This is solar panel funding. At Solar Panel Funding, we're the UK's only privately run scheme dedicated exclusively to providing accessible solar energy solutions through generous grants and flexible funding options. So, why choose solar panel funding? Well, the answer is simple. Unlike complicated government schemes, our streamlined approach is designed specifically for homeowners like you. We simplify the process, cutting through the red tape to ensure you get your solar panels installed quickly and easily. Our funding options mean you could drastically reduce or even eliminate upfront costs. Imagine significantly lowering your monthly energy bills without spending thousands upfront. Solar panel funding makes it possible by offering tailored financial packages that suit your unique circumstances. Plus, our dedicated support team guides you through every step, from initial inquiry right through to installation. This commitment ensures homeowners across the UK not only access solar technology, but benefit fully from available incentives. By choosing solar panel funding, you'll enjoy lower energy bills, a potentially increased home value, and the warm glow of knowing you're helping the environment. In fact, thousands of UK homeowners have already made the switch, saving money and taking control of their energy future. Why not join them? As the UK's premier private solar funding provider, Solar Panel Funding is dedicated to helping you maximize the financial support available. If you're searching online for solar panel funding solutions, make sure you look for us, Solar Panel Funding, to access the best and most comprehensive private funding options available. Now, are you ready to take the next step towards a greener, more sustainable home? Visit our website today at Solar Panel Funding. Cobalt UK to check your eligibility and start your journey toward energy independence. Solar Panel Funding, making sustainable energy accessible and affordable for every UK homeowner. Don't delay. Invest in your home's future today.